Hey guys, in this video we're going to be using Python to generate NFT style images. If you're interested in a Python bot that can screenshot NFTs, click on this link here. Alright, let's dive right in. The key observation that we need to make is that these NFT images aren't really unique. They're just composites of a bunch of different unique images. For example, the body, the eyes, the mouth, the hats. They're just the same, but put on different monkeys in different combinations. Alright, now that we know what we're looking for, let's go make those composite parts. Now that we've got our images, let's write the code to combine them. Alright, the generator's done. Let's take a look at some of these NFTs. So obviously, if you're more artistically inclined, you can add more of these images and get even better composites. So, feel free to experiment with this, make it your own. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, see you guys in the next one.